How you feeling about day 3?
Great time.
Good time?
Great time.
What event are you looking forward to?
All of them. I love them all.
Yeah.
How's it going?
How's everything going? With
Chalk up is in the house?
Yeah.
Okay, then
how's
I have
Gabby
to be careful
feeling?
of what I'm saying, no?
How's everything going with Gabby this morning?
The Gabby?
Yeah.
She's horrible. Very hard to deal with. Yeah.
Thank you. See, I'm saying thank you. I appreciate you. Take one, ladies.
Hello.
Morning.
How we doing?
Great.
Feeling good?
Yeah, lower back a little bit tight from the sandbags, but other than that, good.
How do these events look for you?
Good.
Good?
Yeah, like in athlete's choice, I was scared it would be something else, but it worked out very good for me, so I'm excited, yeah.
Jump. Don't even try. And just go for a sag. Okay? Remember, after the first one, at the 8 and the 10, the 2, 4, 6 has to be broken. Yeah? And in the 8, you just jump up. Even if you do 2, just get that going. Okay? Because you know you can do it. You have the conditioning, you have the capacity.
Feeling really good. I think I feel better than most guys.
Why is that? Because
yeah, I don't know. I feel a lot of guys complaining about their lower back. My lower back is pretty fine. I feel pretty good. I feel actually maybe my legs are a little bit like sore, but you can fight with soreness, you know. Especially for the last day, and especially when there is like 400 points to grab. That's almost like one event less than we done in the 2 days. So I think this is the most important day for sure during the all days, and especially that event 6A and 6B. I think that one will be a game changer for how the leaderboard is going to be on the final event.
Looking like the last 10 minutes until competition time on the main competition floor. You still got 10 minutes to come by the Jean Jack stand. Right, you've got plenty more than 10 minutes. That's all right. Okay, all day, all night. Saturday, the last day, ATC 2021. Please don't know over here at Jean Jack. We had some of the smaller sizes.
Really? Okay, I don't be vaccinated.
Bring some positive energy and yes!
On the men's side of things, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Roman Khrennikov has been on fire all weekend long. He's at the top of the leaderboard right now with 465 points. Adler is second.
2 minutes, you're leaning 2, 5. They're like 2. Yeah, so they're, yeah.
event number 5. This workout features descending ladder. Martial arts and thrusters. 3, 2, 1, go! In lane 1. Corey, helmet order. In lane 2. Points on the line as Nisler trying to finish it up. One more breath to go for secret throttle. One more breath. We got Emily Rowe and Michaela Norman trying to close out.
For that one.
Fuck it, sorry. Send it.
Just
Just risk it.
Ready. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go! And here we go! Unofficial time of 3:59. Here comes Khrennikov. Here comes Jeffrey Amber. Look at it, this is 1 out. And here comes Shalan.
There we go, boy.
Elliot.
Oh my god. Terrible, what's your foot? It was good, but terrible.
Нормально, Ромаха!
Надо включить.
Не нервничай, нормально все.
Last time. I think we'll see how it leads in the leaderboard overall standings, but at least I won the first one.
Yeah. fine.
Yeah.
Any more individual competitions in the future for you?
No, this was my like semi-annual reminder not to do this.
Let's get a little pulse
I don't
check
know.
in here. We're about to do the finals.
Team time.
Here's team number 3.
Every heat before you come out. So we'll meet you in here, we'll tell you to stand on the floor. Sorry? What's that? Go on, Alex.
I'm gonna do it together. Everyone gets the same briefing.
It will be word for word just then, you can record it if you want. The work plans are as you wish, legless or legs or legless, that's up to you. Shoulder overhead. Shoulder overhead is push press, push jerk, split jerk, as you wish.
Think, Brian?
What I think?
Yeah.
I actually didn't get the workout, but it will be 15 jerks with one dumbbell, yeah, 60 kilograms. Perfect. The heavier, is better.
The Dubai CrossFit Championship marks the final individual.
Community for so many years and to be able to participate in so many competitions, and I'm just really honored to be a part of this, to be out there on the floor with the other athletes. They're amazing, and I'm so excited to watch the young stars come up and show everyone what they can do in the future. So I'm rooting for you guys. Thank you.
Wow, what a special moment we all got to share. Thank you so much.
You're gonna stay second?
We want to go ahead and thank all of our tremendous athletes.
Right behind.
All the athletes out here, all the floor.
Right behind.
Who represented this special community. Put their bodies on the
You just gotta bring that intensity. Believe in yourself.
from 20th down to 4th, and we're gonna start with our women. So when your name is called, you're gonna come out here and you're gonna walk to the podium and get your medal. You are one of our athletes.
Eu posso estar na pista de